Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And if you saw my Facebook Live, you saw me make a card, an envelope. And then I thought, I wonder if this would work with the markers. And I know it would, but we're going to figure it out. So I went ahead and stamped with Memento ink from the Little Ladybug stamp set that is a hostess set for Sale-a-bration. So if you're a host and you spend or sell at least $300, you get this little guy for free. And it's so cute. But I love this flower, and I thought I would make a cute thank you note. So we're going to stamp that in the Memento. I'm also going to stamp the thank you. We're just going to make a cute little thank you card. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and just clean this off real quick. Otherwise, they sit there and don't get so clean. All right. I do not want to risk muddling up this lovely lipstick, so I brought in a blender pen and my ink pad. But let's go ahead and color this guy. I am going to make this center here yellow because I do know that I want it. So I'm going to do my pineapple punch here. And then I'm just going to start, and I think what I'm going to do is do the same thing about a third of the way, right? And just start coloring here. Now, I wanted to use just the, the markers instead of the blends. And the reason being is the blends will show through to the back where the marker does not. So I'm going to go ahead and use the markers only. So I think that's about 1/3 of the way. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. And I'm going to come about 1/3 of the way. And when I color, I have to kind of move a little bit. There we go. I was going to just do this on my own because I had everything out and I just finished my FaceTime Live. But then I thought I might as well record it. And then if it comes out nice, that'll be good. I'm going to grab the Call Me Clover because I definitely want this to have a stem. And I want it to be a green stem. And we'll color that real quick. Okay. And you can do this in their favorite colors if you're making this for a friend. But, okay, now I'm going to go through. And I'm going to go kind of right to the area just above. But I'm going to leave that yellow middle part yellow. So again, I'm doing this because I don't want to muddle up my colors. Otherwise, I would go right over the other color, which I think will work, but I don't want to muddle them up. Okay. So see how I got kind of close. Now I'm going to take the lovely lipstick and I'm going to take my blender pen. And I'm going to use my blender pen because I'm not too worried. In fact, I have a red colored blender pen right here. And I say it's red, but it really doesn't have any color at all right now. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to go right back here and take off my thank you. And then I'm just going to stick my block right in there to pick up that lovely lipstick color. And this should be more than enough, but I'm now going to take my blender pen and pick up that color, and you'll see that it's still the same color. Oh, I went over that yellow. I didn't want to. I wasn't thinking. Silly girl. But now we'll put it on these colors. And mix those together. It's not blending as beautifully as I'd like, but it's still giving those other colors. And I think this purple that is going to come out between those blues for sure. It is. Can you see that? So pretty there. And we could do that with just regular colors. But I think that that is just coming out super pretty. So there we go. We've got our little bit of rainbow there. And I could just get that red off. So I use my pens, my blender pens. I use the reds, and then I have another color for my greens and whatnot. But it doesn't matter. You can use them all for the same thing. You just go like this until it runs free. And once it starts running clear and free, you're good to go to put it away. Looks like we're about there. There we go. I love blender pens. So this is super cute. I think what I would do is add some Wink of Stella on there to really give it a pretty effect. And maybe even blend those a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. This Wink of Stella is going to add a little shimmer as well. And look at that blending. So pretty. I'm going to do a little bit more up here. To get a good blend. And then I'm going to clean this one off and then go back going this way to get the bottom. But I'm not going to go into that blended part anymore because I don't want to pull that ink down. And the same thing up here. So pretty. So glad I decided to do that. All right, so now we have our rainbow flower. See that? Super cute. And then that will go into our rainbow envelope. So when they get their envelope, it'll look like that. And then the back will look like that. So when they open it, they'll get that beautiful rainbow. And I don't know if you could see that shimmer happening or not. I could really see it on this end. But it is super pretty. All right, beauties. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed. If you wanted to order anything, feel free to go to Piersanti.stampinup.net. Use the host code for the month of March. And I will talk to you later. Bye!